In this video, I will show you how you can earn money by clicking. You can do this from your phone, PC, or laptop. And the cool thing is this works all around the world, no matter where you live. You don't need any investment at all to do this. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need any social media followers. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Anyone from anywhere in the world can make money. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for free, how to earn money on this website, and how to withdraw your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel with notification bell. Now let's get started. First of all, go to this website, which is called Paidverts.com. As you can see here on this website, they say that connect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. They have over 4 million registered users. This website is secure, transparent, and sustainable. Their website is supported by a high-quality, secure system that ensures all your information remains safe. All transactions made on their platform can be tracked. Follow every single order you've made with them. They have designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. They have a mobile app that you can download from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. If you click on this statistics button, you can check their statistics here. You can see the number of registrations during the last 30 days. They are getting over 200 members every day. You can see the number of active accounts in the previous 30 days. They have over 11,000 daily active members. You can also check profit during the last 30 days. Once you click on the Earners button, you can see the payment proofs. Now take a look at these numbers. These are the money that people are receiving with this website. You can also check the last 48 hours top earners. Now, the very first step you're going to do is click on the Register button that will take you to this page. Now, all you're going to do is enter in your full name, confirm password and email, select your sex, input your date of birth, solve this CAPTCHA, click on this Terms of the Service box, and click on the Open Account button. But you must enter an actual date of birth. Because you can read it here, you must enter an accurate date of birth. This is their primary security question, and you cannot recover this data. So enter your accurate date of birth for the account recovery issue. Once you have logged into your account, you will be able to find you get full access to the dashboard. You can keep track of your balance. You can see your statistics, how many BAPs you have, and so on. Now you're going to come up here and click on Paid Ads. Once you do that, you will get full access to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to have a huge collection of a bunch of different ads that you're going to click on. Sometimes you get real money. Sometimes you get BAPs. But don't worry, you can exchange it for real money. The payouts are tiny, but they're easy to do. When you click on the View Bonus Ad button, it will open a page and then solve a CAPTCHA. After that, you will get paid for it. Do this process again and again as much as you can. After finishing it, click on Click Grid. Once you click on this, you will land on this page. Those who don't know what Click Grid is, Click Grid is easy to play game. Simply click anywhere on the picture and win up to $100, or 1 BAPS point will go directly into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor site that you will have to view for up to 30 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you are a winner or not. If you are not interested in this section, then go to another section, which is the Game section. Once you click on the Game button right here, you will land on this page. Here you can see there are many games. Even many players are playing those games and earning money. You can make money from playing those games also. Simply click on any game and start playing and earning money. All you have to do is click on your username and click on Refer Friends. When you click on it, you will land on this page. As you see, this is my referral link. When anyone clicks on this link, registers for a free account, and starts watching ads and earning money, you will earn 5% of whatever they earn. Many people all over the world are doing these same things. Now I'm going to show you where to share it and get thousands of people to register and start watching ads for you so you can earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. Copy this link and go to this website called BeerMoneyForum.com. Then click on How to Make Money Online. After that, click on the post thread right here. Then write a catchy title and paste your copied link. Then enter your name, solve this CAPTCHA, and then click on the post thread button right here. Once you do that, you will get many people to register and start watching ads for you, so that you will make a lot of money on complete autopilot. Now I will show you a bonus website so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we start, give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Now let's return to the video. Now go to our bonus website, which is called rewardingways.com. They have over 10 years of experience in operating a legit survey site. But don't go straight to this website and try it on your own, because you will lose your time and probably can't make big money. You can earn money with this website by watching videos and taking part in paid trials, surveys, and offers. Doing those simple tasks will get points that you can exchange for real money. Here you can see Rewarding Ways is a legitimate survey site that allows you to earn extra money online in your spare time. Work from home at work in your lunch break, or from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection you can be earning. They offer access to thousands of survey opportunities every day, quick payments with an average payout time of 4 hours, a low minimum rewards threshold so you can cash out with PayPal anytime you earn over only $1 on their survey platform. They are one of the quickest paying online survey sites, giving you access to the best online market research companies providing high-paying surveys. Your sign-up bonus is added automatically when you join free. You could be requesting your first cash payout in 10 to 15 minutes. You are paid for every single survey you complete. The average survey will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete and pay anything between 5 cents to $5 per survey. Longer surveys may take up to 30 minutes but can offer higher rewards. Now, the very first step is to click on the Join Free button right here. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Simply enter your first name, last name. Enter your username, which must be 4 to 25 characters. Then enter a strong password, repeat it, then enter your email address, repeat again. After that, fill in your mailing address, enter your payment account, and click all of these boxes. Then solve this easy CAPTCHA and click on this register button right here. When you log into your account, it looks like this. Now simply hover to earn money and click on the daily paid survey right here. Once you click on this, you will land on this page. You will find so many surveys. This survey is easy to do. Simply click on this title and complete them. After doing this successfully, you will get points which you can exchange for real money. Now I will show you how you can exchange it. After doing this survey, simply click on Offer Walls right here. Then you will land on this page. Here you can see so many boxes. You can earn money by installing apps, signing up for a website, and so on. Now click on Offer Toro from here. Once you click on any box, you will access this page. Here you will find many offers. You can filter it by mobile apps, desktop, and others. Simply click on the green button and do the required task, and you will get points by doing it. After collecting all of those points, simply hover on Reward, then click on the Convert Point button. You can convert your point to real cash from here. Now click on the Withdraw Cash button. Once you do that, you will land on this page. You can withdraw your money when you reach only $1. You can withdraw your money via different payment methods, and the cool thing is they claim that all payments will be instructed within 24 hours. So you don't need to wait for a month or a week. You can withdraw your money daily. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.